Hello there. Have you ever looked at a new AI tool at work or online and thought, is it going to take my job? Will my career even survive in next few years? You're not alone. That thought is haunting millions of students, professionals, and even senior experts across the world. We have entered the new era, one where machines can think, learn, and sometimes even create a new thing. This is a new world, guys, and welcome to this. And yes, it can feel intimidating. You might get feared. But let me tell you one story. Not so long ago, when the computers arrived, people feared them too. When the internet came in, everyone was shaking. Everyone thought it would replace shops, newspapers, and even teachers. But here is what really happened. Who adopted? They evolved. Those who hesitated were left behind. And that is where we comes in picture. And that's exactly what AI is doing right now. It is not here to replace people. It is here to replace the processes which are repetitive. To remove the dull, repetitive, brain draining tasks so that humans can do what they do best. And what do humans do the best? They create, connect, lead, solve the real life problems. Today, some of the most in-demand roles didn't even existed a few years ago. Have you ever heard about prompt engineering? A AI ethics consultant? Because AI is everywhere, and that is definitely going to bring a very huge boom into cybersecurity. A digital transformation coaches, right? I'm sitting next to you, making this video for you, right? But with the help of AI, I do not require any team. But when someone wants to make some sort of videos, they required an entire team, entire setup. But today, with the help of AI, we can do this. So AI is reshaping everything. AI is not going to take your jobs, but the person who knows AI will definitely take your job. And in terms of students, right? If you're a student who's studying in the 8th grade to 12th grade, my God, the pressure feels immense. Everyone is talking about JEE, NEET, CA. But what if you didn't fit into that mold? If you're a graduate or a working professional, AI might feel like a ticking time bomb to you, challenging your skills, your stability, your future. But here is the truth. You don't need to fear AI. You need to understand it. You need to align your skills, strengths, interest with it. What's the future actually demands? Future demands that you need to be a time bound person with your special skills, and that's called the special skill is AI. And that's where Aspireya comes in picture. We are not just another career counseling services. We are your partners in clarity. And we are bringing support of Aarav, your AI powered assistant, designed to guide you with empathy and precision. From students looking for directions to working professionals seeking switch to upgrade, Aspireya helps you unlock the future you were meant for. So don't waste time. Start putting your queries on our email address asperiaconsulting@gmail.com so that we can book a session, we could have a discussion, and then we can start shaping your future. Not by fear, but with clarity. So don't waste your time. Comments down below that I want to change, I want to upgrade, and we will get in touch with you. Or for immediate assistance, you can drop an email to us. Our email address is given into the chat box. Let's build the future where you thrive alongside technology, not behind it. Because the future belongs to those who adopt, who learn, and who lead with purpose. Welcome to Aspireya. And always remember, AI is not going to replace you, but the person who knows AI will definitely replace you. So do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay, and at least it's my humble request to all of you, Please share this video with a needy person who actually needs a guidance in their career, and we are happy to help them. Have a great day.